Okay, so I just tried to record, and that totally messed up. So I'm gonna apologize. So the first part, okay, so I drilled a hole in here. Obviously, I explained what I was doing. I used a hand drill, and I came in counterclockwise like this. I stepped it in and then moved it over to put it in there, and now I got my epoxy going. So hopefully. All right, let's see. Okay. Okay, so this is going now, all right? All right. So what I did before, we're gonna do this a couple times, but I would grab the cocoa powder. I already explained what I was doing. Sorry, it's epoxy, so I don't have a lot of time. Just trying to blacken this up a little bit. We're gonna mix. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Ooh. Okay. All right, that's in. Hopefully we are still recording. All right. Hopefully we caught all that. Sorry about that. So what I did was I grabbed some 1/8 rod. And the reason I'm using brass is because brass can flex. It doesn't rust. There's a multiple different like sciencey stuff that I'm not 100% on. Some guys prefer to use it. I prefer it. I think it's a good material. So I'm just gonna try and do some more. Well, this is here. I have like a little void thing right here. So we're just gonna add a little bit more. Yeah, hopefully the finish will work this out a little bit better. All right, and we're just filling some voids right here. Yeah, we're just grabbing some of that. We're gonna grab some. Come on. Try to wipe a lot of this up. I know this is probably like not the best way. I'll grab some alcohol and clean all this up. Remember, this is all getting sanded down. So hopefully, all right, we're gonna grab this. This is gonna look good. Well, since that's out, maybe let's see if this is still recording. All right. So let's see if I can see. Y'all can see what I'm doing. Of course, I got this in the funky spot. Yeah, it's a little bit better. Sorry, I had to work quick with the epoxy. I will. All right, how's that? Okay, come on. All right. Let's see if I can get one more John in here. See if I can do this real quick. So you grab your drill. All right. It's better to get a marker. But we're going to eyeball this now. Remember how the crack was? It was all catty cornery. So we're going to try and... All right, we got our thing set. The crack's right here, so we want to... Oof. Okay, so let's see if we're still recording. Sorry, it's going to be, I like one complete mess up. So I'm going to grab one of these. See, notice how it just walked a little bit? We don't want that. So what I'm going to do, so I hit this with a hammer. That put a little dent. So now the drill has somewhere to sit. I'm going to hit it with the 1. We're going to switch it to the 2. Grab the brass rod. Dry fit first, as always. Come on. See how I marked out with that? It's going to be easier. Bust this out from here. You grab your little cutters. All right, hopefully that not completely dry yet. All right. Come on. Probably the other side was sharper. I'm gonna do a little bit of deeper. Fuck. All right. I'm trying to get as much of this smushed in as possible. This little guy. All right, she's gone through. All right. So, yeah. All right. know this isn't gonna look the prettiest right now, but it will. This will get cleaned up. I'm gonna like tap these in and like kind of turn them into little nails at best. All right.